So this gentle technique, we can make our body more flexible. We can release stiffness and strain. Along with that, when body is ready, we can move ahead with practicing certain pranayama breathing technique, which is very effective again for the brain region. While work or constantly looking at digital screen, sometimes your eyes might get strained, or you have any other issue. Sometimes you might get headache or anything. So the most efficient technique to improve your lung capacity and then to rejuvenate your entire brain, there are certain breathing patterns. So as I was telling that from yoga, different technique have been taken from different species. So again, the migratory birds, there are 4,000 different varieties of migratory birds, and they migrate. When they fly, they travel approximately 73 to 74,000 kilometers every year. So all those migratory birds have a unique property that when they cross ocean, they fly at one go. They have a strong immune system. They have control on their hunger and thirst. So they don't take a break for food and water when they fly. So tiny birds have potential to cross the ocean. And what makes them unique is their unique breathing pattern. So let us learn that bird breathing pattern. Two variations I'll teach, and then few more variations for rejuvenating our brain. So first, bird breathing pattern. First variation, what you have to do, sitting with spine straight. You have to keep with thumbs, you have to keep both your nostrils closed. Through mouth like a straw, you have to sip the air constantly, and neck will go up. Once you are done with breathing, interlock your chin, hold the breath for maximum time, gently raise your chin up, and then release the breath through the nostrils. That is the first variation. Just observe it. The more longer you breathe in and more longer you hold the breath, the impact will be better. As it, see, all the nerves which is going to the brain, and it is connected to all different organs. When you block that nerve in the head region, when you are applying that Jalandhar Bandh and holding that block, so it activates all those organs. The impact is better. So the second variation, what you have to do, this you can practice 3 times or 5 times depending on time available. Second variation is you have to keep your ears, eyes and nostril closed all together. Breathing pattern and holding will remain same. Second variation. So if you practice this technique, any kind of headache or strain in your eyes you will not be having. All the organs, ears, eyes and nostril will remain more healthy. complete brain remains more healthy and strong. The third variation, all the pranayam, when it is done with the buns, when we hold the breath for more long time, we can enhance our lung capacity. And this is the third breathing pattern, Surya Bhedi Pranayam. When you breathe in from right nostril with your maximum lung capacity, then you hold it for a long time and then release the breath through the left nostril. That is Surya Bhedi Pranayam. So ideal pranayam ratio is 1:4:2. 1 ratio you breathe in, 4 ratio you hold, 2 ratio you breathe out. And similarly, if you repeat it from the left nostril, that is Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. So these two pranayams, each one set I will demonstrate. So this long breathing capacity and holding will take little time to practice to get into this capacity. And about holding, in ancient texts, it is mentioned like in Gheran Samhita that we should hold the breath till the time you from head to toe you get kind of gentle sweating you get. So till that capacity you have to hold the breath. The more long breathing capacity we have, pranayam capacity, we have more emotional stability we get. So having command on prana is the best skill which we can develop. The other way around is, so this 3 set 5 sets we can repeat. The second technique, Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. Similar kind of breathing sets, 3, 5 or 10, depending on how much time we have, we can practice. And then finally you practice Bhramari 3 times, 5 times, and then gently you can meditate. With this as a practice, body is ready to get into meditation. सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ सन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे सं चतुष्पदे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Gently open your eyes. So this much we can practice for 15-20 minutes if at home, and 7 to 10 minutes being at workplace, that is fine. So keep celebrating life. Thank you.